Alright, today we're going to be covering paint booth wall coating. Wall coating for paint booths is designed to do two things for you. It's to help protect the galvanized metal of your paint booth from excessive overspray, and then it helps brighten up the booth a little due to the white appearance of the material. There are two types that kind of are available. One's meant for bare wall booths and one is meant for booths with overspray. Generally, we think you get better results when you're able to start with a clean booth wall. So if you just purchased a booth, you may want to consider booth coating. If your booth does have overspray on it and you can get that cleaned off, we'd recommend doing that and going with a paint booth wall coating that's designed for clean walls. So we'll show you what it looks like to take down the wall coating. It's a peelable coating that just requires you to score along the top edge, and then it pretty much will come off in a sheet. And as you see, once I made the cut, it's pretty easy to pull down in a film. And the benefit is you have clean walls. You can see, as we have here over use, that you've got a lot of overspray buildup. So we'll go ahead and tear this down, and then we'll apply some new booth coating so you can see what it's like when it's clean. All right, so we tore off the old booth coating. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to apply new coating. You need about a 3 to 5 mil thick layer of the coating when it's dry. It's around 4 or 5 wet. Just sprays on with the regular airless. You do tend to want to do this in a couple coats at a time, but it's relatively easy to spray. It's similar to a latex in consistency, and as you can see from what we've started, it gives you a lot of brightness to the booth. So we'll go ahead and spray the rest of this. Use about a 17 thousandths tip, and then once we get the booth coated, we'll show you what it looks like finished. As you saw, it was pretty simple to tear off. It comes off in sheets. It took us about 20 minutes to tear down this whole booth from the original. All right, so we went ahead and applied the booth coat. You do want to apply it in thin coats. There's a little bit of runs. It's a little hard if you aren't doing it real slow and steady, as far as a couple coats instead of one at a time. But as you can see, it's very white in here, and it does improve visibility overall in the booth because of the white reflective coating. And then, like we showed you, it's easy to peel off. So this is the booth coat. Covers around 280 square feet for a 5-gallon bucket. So if you're trying to do a complete booth, you'd take the square footage of your booth, the walls, the ceilings, and everything, and then you would find the right amount that you need to cover the booth. And this is what it looks like. Keeps your walls from overspray, and overall just will keep your booth in a newer condition long term. Plus, if you have excessive overspray buildup, sometimes that's considered a fire hazard and a source of ignition, so it prevents that from being an issue. So that's what booth coating is. If you have questions or comments on it, leave it in the comments below.